So today we will practice Kapalbhati. So following to the Kapalbhati, we will learn the Anuloma Viloma also. So Kapalbhati, it's called the fire breathing. It's called the signing school because it's the fasting breathing. So how you will breathe in Kapalbhati? So we should have to learn the right way to learn Kapalbhati. So first, before we will practice Kapalbhati, we will take some rounds of the full yogic breathing, it's called. So first you have to blow your belly like a balloon, expand your chest and lift up your shoulder towards your ear slightly, that you can feel your lungs with full of fresh air and oxygen. Like this, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Relax your shoulder, your chest and your belly. Once again, actively, deeply inhale through your belly, your chest and your shoulder. Exhale, relax your shoulder, your chest and your belly. Relax. Deeply breathe in. Longly breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. So for the Kapalbhati, what we will do, we have to take a deep breath in forcefully and breathe out completely. How you will breathe out, you have to contract your belly muscles and forcefully breathe out through your nostrils without shaking your body. So how we will do, you have to sit in a comfortable sitting position. You can sit like this in a cross-legged sitting position, Padmasana or Siddhasana, as you like. But the hand should be in a Vayu Mudra, because in Pranayama always we work with the air. So this is the point of the air, point to our inner side of our body. So what we will do, we will put our index finger root on our thumb and just cover it. That we will increase the pressure of our air inside of our body and just relax in this posture. It's called Vayu Mudra. And how we will practice Kapalbhati? First, take a deeply breath in and forcefully breathe out like this. Now you can feel your belly. If you will put your palms on your belly, then automatically you will push your belly inside when you breathe out. So let's start together, as I am keeping my palms in my belly. So take a deep breath in. Like this. So if you feel comfortable, then we will practice together. So forcefully breathe in and forcefully breathe out through your both nostrils. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely and exhale. Bring your palms together in front of your legs. Breathe out completely and stop your breathing. Don't breathe in. Breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. And next, inhale. Take a deeply breathing in. And hold your breathing. Keep your chin to your chest in a Jalandhara Bandha and just relax. Hold your breathing. And next inhale, loose your bandha, release your tension from your neck and your throat, and just relax. Breathe out completely. So this is called the Kapalbhati. That in a Kapalbhati we create a lot of fire, Agni inside of a Manipura chakra. It's called in our belly. So when we increase the air, we increase the energy, because this is our battery of our body. So when you activate the energy in your battery or in your body, then you will share your energy from the right side and to the left side. Right side is called the vital energy side, left side is called the emotional energy side. So for that we will follow the next sequence of the Kapalbhati or the pranayam session. It's called Anuloma Viloma. So what we will do here, you can keep your left hand like this in a Vayu Mudra, and your right hand we will create the Nastika Mudra or Vishnu Mudra, that your index finger and your middle finger root on your thumb. So what we will do, just relax for some moment. Take a deep breath in. Close your right nostril on your thumb and breathe out through your left nostrils. Breathe out slowly and softly. And next, breathe in through your left side. Now close your left nostril and your ring finger and open your thumb. Breathe out through your right nostril, softly and smoothly. Inhale right side actively. Close your right, open your left, passively breathe out. Breathe out. Inhale left side actively. Close your left nostrils, open your right and breathe out softly, smoothly, as long as you can. Right side inhale. Close your right, open your left and breathe out. Breathe out completely. And slowly bring your right hand on your right knee, your backbone straight, your neck is straight, and take 3 to 5 rounds full yogic breathing. Use your 3 edges of your body, your abdomen, your chest and your shoulder. Fill your lungs with full of fresh air, oxygen, life energy, and breathe out all the negativity, all the hindrance, all the tension, the carbon dioxide from your lungs. Relax. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.